I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance lawyer. If you're a new driver, how are we going to get you some cheap insurance that protects you and your family? Being a new driver means your insurance premium is going to be higher between the ages of 16 and 30. Insurance companies are smart. They know we've got less driving experience, and they charge us more because we're a higher risk. For new drivers, insurance companies do take into consideration age and if you've had any tickets or at-fault accidents. One of the biggest things a carrier is going to look at is your driver's training. Insurance companies will look and see if you're a new or older driver and have gone through a driver's education class, or if the adults have gone to a driver's school. If so, your premiums are definitely going to be lower. You can anticipate saving 10 to 15% just by going to a safe driving school. New drivers who've not had their license for at least 3 years may not qualify for the 20% good driver savings, but work at it. Nobody wants a chargeable accident, and go to traffic school if you get that errant ticket. For teens, I always recommend to parents that they put them on their parents' policy so they aren't the primary driver. Ask for a good grade discount. Save as much as 10 to 15% if they just get A's and B's. Make sure we're all following the law to ensure that we don't have those tickets. And boy, when you get one, don't we always get the second one right after that? Maintain a good credit score. Insurance companies look hard at how timely we are with our bills. If our policy lapses for non-payment of premium or our credit score dips, the insurance company says we're more risky. Watch the type of car you purchase. A used car with a good safety record is certainly going to give you a lower rate than that shiny new red sports car. Putting a tracking system that monitors your driving habits can be a great way to save money. If you have a short commute to school or work, this can save you in lower premiums. One of the best ways for new drivers to save is to know what type of insurance they need. If it's a used car with not much value, you probably don't want to insure or get very much comprehensive coverage. Remember, just because it's cheap doesn't mean you're protected. Ask yourself, am I and those in my car protected with enough uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage? Do I need to crank up my limits of liability from $25.50 to $100-300? Or am I just going to go bankrupt if I cause somebody serious injury or death? It's important when you're shopping for insurance to make sure you know what your liability coverage is, what your property damage coverage is, how much your med pay is, and most important, how much uninsured or underinsured coverage you're carrying. Remember, that's coverage that protects us and the people that are in our cars. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner of Darras Law in Ontario, California.